my gemolers, and welcome to a building video of F-22 Raptor, a metal model this time. Like always, first what is pop up on us is a metal part. Now we are looking at the manual. Here you can see a metal sheet with the numbers, the map part, and of course instruction how we can assemble this model. First, I was fighting with metal parts to get off from a plate. I using of course metal nail files to smooth finish and of course super glue. Now I try gluing the parts together and adding it to the main body. Here you can see a closer look at the wings. Gluing of course the bottom part and making some few adjustments with the wings. After that I use a super glue and glue the upper wing part here with stars from a navy. And I'm using a knife and a few drops of super glue for a stand. And I will add this leg. And now finally we are at the end. I adding a lot of glue for this bottom part to complete the main look, and of course on the front as well for the main nose. Accidentally I broke few parts, so this is the end.